welcome back.
Thank you, Kuya.
Welcome home. How does it feel to be back?
Nung palanding pa lang, parang gusto ko nang tumalon eh. Sobrang excited ako to see my mom and of course to be in the Philippines and to be with the people na talagang nagro-root for me. So,
Right.
sobrang exciting, Kuya, na finally I get to be back and I'm just excited kung ano mangyayari.
So hindi ka nakapag-holidays dito, no? Nasa
Hindi
States ka
kasi
lang.
I need to finish all the press
Commitments.
tour commitments and then initial conversations with the record label.
Okay.
And hopefully after dito kagad pagbalik, roll na work ulit.
Kamusta yung life after winning?
Life after winning, overwhelming siya kasi hindi sanay kasi ako mag-isa lang na naglalakad and sometimes I forget na may mga nakakakilala na pala sa akin. So one time nag-jacket lang ako and parang nilapitan ako na, are you the winner? Tapos ko, oo nga pala, parang kailangan ko na yatang mag-ayos kasi minsan nakakalimutan natin na
Right. na
medyo public figure na.
medyo may ganyan na. Pero what are the initial plans ng The Voice for Sophronia?
Initially, part of the win is the record label under Republic Records and Universal Music Group, and hopefully I got a call from Michael Bublé, so gusto niya talaga magkaroon ng
Collab?
parang collaboration. Technically meron sanang collaboration last December kaso hindi nahabol.
Okay.
Kasi he just released a song, like a Christmas song,
That's
and
right.
he wanted to do a Filipino and an English collaboration. So sabi niya, if hindi mahabol, which hindi nga nahabol, that's for next year. But definitely meron talagang mangyayari na collaboration even in shows din.
Right.
Medyo-
Tinutukso ko nga siya. Sabi ko, we're looking forward to a Bublé Sophronia show in Manila.
Oh yeah, and I got a few number of calls na kung paano maglilink and paano magko-contact sa kanya for a show
Right.
and an event in Manila, and he's very very excited for it.
Okay. So, gaano katagal si Sophronia dito sa Pilipinas?
I think 14 to 15 days
Okay,
lang.
2 weeks.
So, 2 weeks, yeah. Technically 2 weeks, and I'm excited also na meron akong event sa Cebu for the Sinulog, and parang first big event siya, first live event after the competition, so excited.
So, big deal yun.
Big deal talaga,
Oo.
kaya medyo kinakabahan ako, sabi ko nga kay mama, ba't parang nanginginig ako.
Dapat familiar ka dito eh, pero parang,
Oo,
ba't biglang
parang bago.
Bakit nga ba?
Kasi kumbaga, kuya, na ang tawag dito, yung excitement ko ay kumbaga gusto kong iparamdam sa kanila how we won,
Right.
and parang dagdag na yung kaba. Tama ba yung ina-expect nila na ako, yung
Yes,
gano'n.
yes.
So now that I am back, I'm just so excited to be singing for everyone.
Right.
And, I don't know if nag-post na, but I'll be singing tomorrow sa Showtime.
Okay.
So as I promised, I'll be in my home.
Right. Na-post na nila yan.
Oh really?
Yes.
Kasi hindi ko nakita. So yeah, I'm so excited. But now, from airport, go straight ako sa ABS. Mag-rehearse na ako kagad with the champ. So I'm so excited to meet everyone.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Family time also?
Yeah, family time is, kasama ko na lang si mama always. Sabi, naintindihan naman niya always na ano lang siya, sama-sama lang siya, parang support.
Right. Mami, pasama ka naman.
Ayan, oh.
Na-interview ko yan nung
Oo
nanalo
nga.
ka.
Alam mo, Kuya MJ, hindi ko alam na na-interview siya kasi my phone died.
Okay.
So, after 4 hours after the rap party, nakita ko na lang na, wait, pag on ko sa cellphone, bakit nasa TV na yung mama ko?
Hinanap ko si tita.
Kaya nga, nagulat din ako.
Grabe.
Thank you kasi